Eric here from FIIDO Electric, and today I'm trying to answer one of the questions I received in the comments of this video, the FIIDO L3 with the monster battery here. And that question was, can you turn off the limiter of this e-bike? Somebody in the comments mentioned that you could. We gave it a try, and here's what happened. So this is a 350 watt motor here in the back wheel of the bike, and then the 48 volt 23 amp hour battery here, which is an awesome size, crazy battery for this size e-bike. Now, I don't recommend trying this because number one, I don't know how to undo it once the limiter is off. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. And then number two, it may void any type of warranty that you have with your bike. So with that being said, the instructions were just to turn it on, then press both buttons at once, for 5 seconds until it blinks, and there you go. Now the limiter should be off. And so what we had before I did that was a top speed of 15 miles an hour. And then what we have after that is here. I recorded it on the GPS. So it felt about the same taking off, and I only about 20% expected it to work, stopping at 15 miles an hour, but then it kind of kept going, and then that was the max it reached, was 17 miles an hour. Didn't go any quicker than that, but it did increase by 2 miles per hour. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments of how to possibly turn the limiter back on, and then what this did with your e-bike. But again, be very careful. I don't know if this would possibly break your e-bike or void the warranty, so be careful.